Hello friends, welcome to my channel Busy Bunnies. In this video, we'll see easy screen-free Lego activities. Our first activity is color sorting activity. This is simple color sorting activity using colorful blocks and matching cups. It helps children recognize colors and improve hand-eye coordination. So our next activity is roll, count and build activity. In this activity, you have to roll the dice, count the numbers and build a tower. This activity strengthens number recognition, counting and fine motor skills. Our next Lego learning activity is pattern block challenge. In this activity, children recreate the block patterns by matching the colors and positions shown on the worksheet. It helps develop visual perception, problem solving, and fine motor skills through hands on play. Your ideas matter. What educational activity would you like to see next? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching.